Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the List Ease shared grocery list app is and how it's positioned. The List Ease app is a shared grocery list and shopping organizer that helps users keep track of what they need to buy, sync lists with others in real time, and make grocery shopping more coordinated and efficient based on verified App Store descriptions. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. With this app, users can create shared grocery lists that update instantly so everyone in the household or group sees additions and changes right away. It may allow members to assign items to specific people or categorize lists so shopping responsibilities are clear and organized. The app may let users add notes, quantities, or reminders for items so nothing important gets forgotten at the store. Users could use the interface to check off items as they shop so lists stay current and easy to follow. It may provide sync across multiple devices so everyone with access to the list stays on the same page no matter where they are. Because specific features like group sharing limits, reminder options, or integrations with other apps may vary by version or device, not all functionality is guaranteed for every user. This is not confirmed and should be considered a potential cause for differences in experience. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.